Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off auto backup on Google Photo. But remember, if you turn off your auto backup, whichever photo that is on your, gallery, it's not going to be backed up on your Google Photos again. You need to come over here and manually back them up, which means you need to individually select them and click on backup in order to back them up. It's not going to happen automatically. And if you're okay with that, then you can follow the step. After opening your Google Photo, you want to click on your Google's profile picture at the top right of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, scroll all the way down and you will see this option called Google Photos Setting. Click on Google Photos Setting, the second last option. From over here, the first option where it says backup, click on it and make sure it's off. If it is on, then that means it's going to back up every single thing that is on your gallery. But if it is off, then that means your backup is turned off. Make sure it's off and you're good to go. So that's how you guys can turn off your auto backup in Google Photo. Now with this off, my Google Photos will no longer automatically be backed up. I need to do it individually by clicking on it and clicking on backup just like this. So that's how you guys can turn off auto backup. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.